ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar. I am volunteer of National Service Scheme from Hassan Institute of Medical Sciences, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Bangalore. And I wish you all happy NSS Foundation Day. NSS has the motto of not me but you. Nanagalla ninage. As students, we all have desire to make a difference in this world. And NSS is the foundation. It is the starting point to make us understand our role in this world and helps us transform ourselves into instruments of social service. We can donate blood. And as we take up the pain of the needle prick and donate our blood, we help save life of 3 people. When we put our effort to dig a pit, plant a sapling, water it, nurture it and see it grow, it increases the dignity we have for farmers, we have for coolies. And as the plant grows, it breathes out fresh air. And this is not only for us, but for the generations to come. We work in the field of plastic. We promote refuse, reduce, reuse, and recycle. This decreases the burden of plastic on planet Earth and helps save millions of lives in sea and on land. We go to rural India. We speak with children, their mothers and fathers. We provide them health education. Techniques of hand washing, techniques of brushing, importance of toilet, importance of use of slippers. When these are implemented in their life, it decreases a lot of diseases. We teach them about early signs of cancer. If they find it on themselves or people around them, they can go to doctor and help save life, and this can save millions of people. We go to orphanages. We spend our time over there and we enjoy it. We teach them about English, mathematics, painting, arts, and we talk to them about good touch and bad touch so sexual abuse can be stopped. As part of annual special camp, we spend around 7 days in rural India. We go to the homes of the people, talk to them and understand their problem. We go to temples and clean the temples. Not only our volunteers work over there, even the local people join hands, and we have wonderful exchanges of friendship, memories and thoughts. And what we have understood out of this exercise is, even though villagers are the most loving, hardest of working, backbone of Indian economy, they are the people who are most deprived of quality education, health infrastructure, and we need to make a change. This has only inspired us more to work hard to make democracy work and to end all kinds of corruption. As volunteers of NSS, we get opportunity to meet inspiring people. I met A.T. Aryaratne, Sri Lankan Gandhi, who because of his movement in the grassroots made changes in the policies of the parliament. H.S. Doreswamy, freedom fighter of India, who till this day speaks for his nation. Rajendra Singh, waterman of India, because of his work was converted desert lands into agricultural farms. NSS gives us multiple opportunity. I am humbled to be one among the 50 volunteers selected from Karnataka to go to National Youth Fest. We get opportunity to participate in RD camps, that is Republic Day camps. NSS has multiple opportunities and we can make wonderful memories, and it only adds on to our character. NSS is a starting point for tremendous opportunities. We are no longer victims, we are leaders. We are no longer sufferers, we are change makers, and we speak not only for us but for those who need. Because of NSS, we are becoming better humans and responsible citizens. Swami Vivekananda says, as billions of people suffer from hunger and are ignorant, I keep every man responsible. And it is time for us to take up the responsibility to pay our rent and make the difference. Gandhi says, be the change you want to see in the world. Today, my friends, let us be the change and make the difference. Jai Hind.